Hey guys, super quick video looking at a HP OfficeJet A720. Problem with this printer was it wouldn't switch on. There'd been some power surges in the area, and after one of them it just wouldn't switch on again. It was completely dead. It did absolutely nothing. So what I did was I opened it up, and specifically I went behind this side panel here. I actually withdrew all the bolts at the back here, but I'm not sure if I needed to do that. I think you could probably pry this off from the back. You'd have to make up your own mind as what you need to do, but I think it will pry off. And anyway, when you get this panel off, the power supply is going to be a separate block here. It's like what you get for the laptops, something that sort of shape, and it's basically tucked in here. So what I did, took this panel off, unplugged the connector for the power supply, pulled the brick out, bought a new one off eBay. When you pull your power supply out, it should have a code written on it as to what it is, what you're using. I just went on to Aliexpress, put the code in, found one there, ordered it, plugged it back in up here, and then put it all back together, and it appears to work okay. So that's it, guys, just a short video what I did to fix a HP OfficeJet Pro 8720 that was completely and utterly dead, no power at all. So hopefully that helps you. As always, if you like the video, like, subscribe. If you're a subscriber already, thank you very much, it's appreciated, and I'll see you again in the next video.